Best Hanging Shower Caddy Review. In this video, we'll share with you one of the most popular shower caddies in the market that have been used by thousands of people who have given their stamp of approval. We'll share with you some of the features of what makes this shower organizer so popular. Also in this video, you get to see a quick demo of how easy it is to set this up and use it right away. The one that made our list is the Zena Rust-Proof Aluminum Shower Caddy. This shower caddy adds guaranteed life rust-proof storage into your shower, and it comes with two shelves with a built-in inverted bottle storage, plus hooks and holders for soaps and razors. This specially designed lock top allows for easy installation over any standard shower head with no slip and sway, and there are no tools needed except for the included hex key. With its rich chrome finish, this adds a touch of elegance to your shower right away. To check out the full specs of the Zena Rust-Proof Aluminum Shower Caddy and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/hangingshowercaddy. Here's a quick demo of how easy it is to install this shower caddy. So there you have it, the Zena Rust-Proof Aluminum Shower Caddy. Considering its ease of use, the quality of the material, and how it's rust-proof and stays in place, we feel that this shower caddy is the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of the Zena Rust-Proof Aluminum Shower Caddy and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/hangingshowercaddy. Alright, thank you for watching.